Saw doesn't work. We're going to make it work another way. Good light?
Not me, man.
Close enough.
Oh, I missed that.
Torpedo!
That's pretty cool, eh?
Still here. Didn't even burn the wood pole of the cable.
Welcome to the country, boy.
Some nickname this a Roman candle.
What was that your?
No, I heard about it. It burns inside out. That's why you don't put it on the fire. It burns the outside, burns inside out. It'll go down in ambers.
How long will it burn?
The size of that one, hours.
Really? Like the whole wood, everything?
Yeah, here. There's one that was done for 2 hours. The same log.
Oh, that's 2 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. 2 hours, yeah.
And when it's lit at night, this isn't a good picture. It's near when it's first lit. It's in a big ring. And it was, that sunlight's this way.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I see it.
You know,
Cool.
take pictures of it now. It's burning out the top.
It's pretty cool.
Just keep, after a while, just keep putting stuff in the middle. It burns out the top.
That's fucking cool.
Got 4 chainsaw slits in it. You can probably take a picture down there. You can see the flames thing. And there's vent holes in the bottom. So the air just goes up.
That's chilling, man.
That's the biggest candle I've ever seen. Is that the biggest candle you've ever seen? Wow. It's a candle. Nate knows these candles. He's awesome. He's a big guy and has big candles.
Yeah, it's a big candle, eh?
You see then later when it calms down.
Oh, yeah?
Everybody get close. It's not like a big fire. Heats everywhere. You get little posts and roast. These open up.
Roast marshmallows.
Yeah.
That's chilling. Yo, you mean the
See,
crack
you can
here?
be this close now.
This
You
crack
feel it
right
on your
here?
face. Down here it's alright, right?
The crack there will open up, so what you're saying, right?
It opens up.
Good.
Put that back. Got enough paper in there, you'll be alright. Put it back. Oh yeah. Retreat. Oh, I'm getting it. You're not lighting that now, are you? No, I'm just lighting it. No, not yet. No.
Are you videotaping?
No, not at all.
Yeah, you are.
Let me see.
Hi.
Hey, how long you got?
2 weeks.
You excited?
Born.
Are you excited?
Of course I am.
Yeah? This little get-togethers, all because of the little guy right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you keeping him all warm with that sweater?
Yes, I am.
I must say you look good.
Thank
Eh?
you.
You're 8.5 months.
Yeah. Technically 9, I guess, whatever you call it.
Isn't it? I don't know who. I heard a couple times that you're actually 10 months pregnant.
Yeah, that's what I've heard too many times too.
But I don't understand
I
how.
don't understand either. I just 38 weeks. 2 more weeks.
Well, I definitely know Smitty. An excited daddy to be, right?
There's your picture now. There's your candle. Everybody get a picture in front of the candle. Taking pictures of me.
I'm not. It's a video, bro.
Video.
It's a good. That's a good job, though, man. It's pretty chilling. You know what?